an elephant's footprint has filled with water from the downpour. Inside, a minor miracle happens. Microscopic eggs hatch into fish. The transformation is complete. Multicolored killifish here in an elephant's footprint. In their temporary pool, they're safe from the predators of bigger rivers. But even here, there are villains. A Congo water scorpion has venom to dissolve the flesh of fish. Not much future in a footprint anyway. Now the killifish shows its true colors, superbly designed to flip from stream to stream in this temporary water world. He turns his nose into the current like a tiny salmon to take advantage of a newly running, rain-fed stream. And this is what the colors are for, a killifish female. In the dark light of the forest floor, the display is irresistible. She's mesmerized by his kaleidoscopic advances, and a new generation is spawned. In these changing waters, killifish have found their niche in the rainforest. And when the rain subsides, the water level here may drop again, but her eggs will be safe, dormant in the riverbed, just ready to add water.